where he's going. I'm here to complain about something. My internet provider, Optus. Bunch of fucking cockheads. Bloody speed limit sucks. I pay $72 a month, and that's how they repay me. Fucking wankers. Anyway, I'm here for something else too. You know, yesterday when I was making the home video, and I stuffed up and the helicopter hit. Fucking menus coming up when I didn't want them. That pissed me off. Anyway, I said I could do better. Well, I'm going to prove it. I'm going to play that game. I'm going to fucking show you how to play that game. I'm a fucking pro at that game, and you'll see. Just watch this. Helicopter shit. Right, I'm going to fucking show you how to play this game. Learn from a fucking pro. Watch this. Yeah, you got one. Fuck. Oh fuck, ran out of fuel, eh? Oh well, I'm doing better than yesterday. I've got one at least. Watch this, I'll get this one. Yeah, I'm up to 2 now. 3. Look and learn, folks. Fucking pro. Whoa, up to 5 already. Fucking legend I am. So that's basically what you got to do. You got to cut those things off the bottom. It's like cutting someone's balls off. I'm on fire now, eh? Up to 8 already. Gonna run out of fuel. Oh well. Did better than yesterday, eh? Helicopter shit. Suck my big fat one. So there you have it. Helicopter hit. Told you I could do better. Fucking kicked ass, didn't I? Fucking Optus. Fuck you, you cunts. Optus, you fucking cockhead cunts. Fucking can't run a fucking internet service. Got no idea what you're doing.